Welcome to today's update for Bridge Operator Console for RingCentral. This is the March 1st, 2022 new features. And let's start with the graphics first. The first thing you'll notice is we have brought all the remaining controls and colors under our Bootstrap theme, so everything will match now. So your quick call, quick transfer, quick park for will come in line with the colors that are in the default call control bar and the rest of the application as well. Similar with the controls, they should all match the Bootstrap front end that's used by BOC. Functionally, there are a couple of new features as well. Let's just open up our RingCentral app and Microsoft Teams and take a look at these. During a Park for now, in Microsoft Teams, if you're using that to send the messages, you will see a button here like normal to pick up the call using Teams if you're a direct routing customer, but you will also now see this dial in the RC app. So if you are using Microsoft Teams in the RC app for audio, this will open up your RC app with this already dialed. So you no longer have to remember or dial the park position manually yourself. If you are using the RC app exclusively, you are going to get an adaptive card now. So when a call is parked for you, you're going to get a message like this showing you the details about the caller, where it's parked like before. Only now you will have two options here potentially. One for sure, this pickup with RC app, which will do the same thing. It'll open the RingCentral app and park that call for you so you can speak with the caller. If you are using our screen pop where you're pushing caller ID information to the URL, when the operator parks a call for you, this will be pre-populated here. So this would actually open up that link for you. So if you're using CRM or something like that, you want to pull up the customer details, that can be done here. The nice thing is it's pushed from the client at that time, so you do not have to worry about the caller ID changing from being unparked or supervised transfer or any of those other things that can fiddle with the original caller ID. It'll be preserved in this push to you. So those are two exciting changes coming around the Park For feature. In addition, we have changed some things with the group configuration. So when you make a new group now, this will be paged for large organizations, so it won't slow down trying to load 10,000 users in the single pane. But we've also added a search box where you can search for someone and find them. It'll just set this filter for you, but it does streamline that process a bit. So that's a new addition to make groups a little bit friendlier in large organizations. We've also added paging in a couple other spots where potentially large data sets can occur, just to make the program function more efficiently for you. An example would be if we searched for a large group and we matched 195 Azure AD users, those will come in paged now. So there won't be 195 of them in the screen, there'll be 4 pages of 50. So that is the other addition to that piece. And the final thing that will be changed in this update is for users that are using the intercom feature, maybe as a way to preserve caller ID while also being able to notify users on a transfer. That will work similar now. So you'll go in, you'll find the messaging and intercom section. Now when you hit intercom, you'll be presented with a second screen.
Does not accept intercom calls.
So when you're done, you can just hit that end intercom and you'll return back to this call. So that's a new feature that will help people who are using the intercom in that particular way. So that will be available March 1st, 2022 in this update. Thank you and have a great day.